guys, this is Miss Gilman, and I'm going to talk to you guys today a little bit about using expanded form with decimals. So we had a little trick when we did expanded form back in quarter one when we talked about using a larger number. My trick was, say my number is 342. The trick was to write 2 plus, make it into a 0. 40 plus, make it into a 0. 300. All right. That was the trick before. So we're going to talk a little bit about the, what we're going to do right now is going to use decimals. So when I change it and I use decimals, we're going to start with 3.427. So 3 and 427 thousandths. It's going to be the same idea, only instead of starting with the far right column, we're going to start with the far left column. We're going to start with the ones. I'm going to write my 3, make it into a 0 because I've already used that number. Then I write my next digit that I would see. So the next digit that I see is 0.4. Make that 4 into a 0 because we used it. The next digit you would see is 0.02. Make that 2 into a 0. And then your last digit is 0.007. That is a good, easy way to write expanded form when you're using decimals. It's a great way also to make sure that you use all of the numbers given. So let's try another one. Let's try the number 17 and 368 thousandths. So again, start with the far left. I'm going to start by looking at this column right here. I know that that is in my tens column. That means it is worth 10 because there's 1 10. Make it into a 0. Then I will move to this column. That is my ones column. That means it is exactly worth 7. Make it into a 0. Going to my next column, I see 0.3. That's what I'm going to write. 0.3. Make it into a 0 and go to your next. 0.06. Make it into a 0. And finally, 0.008. All right. That is how you're going to do expanded form using decimals. I am going to challenge you. I want you to do one more, and let's see if you can do it on your own. So give me just a second. All right, let's see if you can do this one. 7.24691. So tricky. But if you follow the procedures and the routine that I showed you, it should be a piece of cake. Pause the video now. See if you can write it in expanded form. Don't skip any numbers. Come back when you're done. Did you pause? Let's see if you are right. Starting with this column, it is worth 7. Make that into a 0. 0.2. Make it into a 0. 0.04, 0.006, 0.0009. Don't be tricked. Right now, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. All right, here we go. 0.1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and my last digit is a 1. That is an awesome, easy, cool trick way to write expanded form using decimals. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to try a few on your own. This is a good way to do expanded form. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, guys.